Welcome to Right Ideas with Susan, where I put up simple ideas to help people like you who are teaching children. What is so good about this craft is that it's simple and it's quick and it's really easy to do, and it's actually quite useful. It's just a simple bead necklace that my kids made for me in Sunday school, and I remember them giving it to me after church one day. I thought, isn't this a great little idea? And I still have them today. And all you need to do is, I like to use stretchy cord. It comes in a roll like this, but also you can just use plain sort of string, and you just tie a little bead on the end of it, and you have a bunch of these ready for your class. And then on the table you put a box of these sorts of beads. The thing is, this goes really quick and you want a little bit more time for them to create. So what you do is you just take a muffin tin, and before you give them the string or anything, you say, hey kids, I want you to separate them into colors. And I tell you, it's quite cathartic for anyone, adults or kids, to separate things and put them in order or put them in colors. And so this takes time, and then once they get into colors, then they can do patterning and things like that, which is a wonderful thing to do. Kids love doing. And so I've got quite a few bracelets as well. There's another thing I'd love you to check out, and that's my Mother's Day lesson series. It's got 3 parts. Happy life. Who wants to have a happy life? And of course all the hands go up. I said, yes, we all want to have a happy life. Did you know the Bible gives us some clues on how to have a happy life? And so make sure you check that out when you have time. Well, there you have it, just a simple little Mother's Day necklace gift that the kids can make for their mom that's actually quite nice, and one that they may keep like me. If you like this idea, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and be sure to check out my Mother's Day lesson ideas playlist. There's lots of extra ideas on that as well. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you'd like more simple ideas like this, just subscribe, tap the bell, and you'll be notified whenever I put up a new idea. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.